Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. So in today's video we'll be tying gele, very beautiful rich anti gele style. You can see I already folded the gele or pleated it, and I used pin to secure the pleats. Okay, so when you place the gele on your head, one side of the gele will cover your ear totally, then the other side of the gele will not cover completely, as you can see me doing in the video. And sorry, I did not tell you, the ratio for this gele is 70-30. The 30 hands is the one I just brought forward, then the 70 hand is the one I brought now. The 70 hand will be the longer hand we will use to get that design and do the rolling, while the shorter hand will just pleat it and secure it at the back with a safety pin or an office pin. So as the video is progressing, just follow my hands and keep your eyes on my hands and see how I am working on the gele, carefully, gradually and slowly. The beauty of this gele is the pleats, make it so neat, and then focus on the mark where I crossed the gele. See, now I crossed it by the side, but for today's style that we are tying, I'll be crossing the gele at the center of my face. Just keep your eyes on my hand and watch how I'm going to walk around it. If you keep your gele by the side, that's still okay. It's a design, of course, it's a beautiful style, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to cross it at the center. Keep watching. So when you are done pleating the short hand, you use office pin and secure it at the back. If need be, use more than one so that it will tightly secured and not fall off. So when you are done, you start pleating the longer hand, use it and achieve a third layer of pleats. Just keep watching my hand and you see how I got to do it. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video, drop a comment for me, and share this video to your friends to also watch. So you can see me trying to know the height of this gele. I decided to go for the medium height, not the small and not the so tall height. So it depends on your choice. As you're pleating, you keep checking the height. If you get your desired height, then you stop pleating and then roll the remaining hand. Just keep watching me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. You can see what we achieved. You use your hands, use your creativity, use your eyes. See you in my next video. Bye.